Sa video natin ngayon, we're diving into ScaleNote's Cruise Mode and how to craft the perfect SEO-optimized blog post or product description. Aminin na natin, the process can be daunting, matagal gawin at medyo nakaka-overwhelm. Hey guys, ako nga pala si Ashley Robots at ngayon pag-uusapan natin ng isang tool that's transforming the way we approach content, and that is ScaleNote's Cruise Mode. Kaya kung matagal ka ng marketer or just starting out, this feature promises to streamline your workflow and elevate your content strategy. So ano nga bang ScaleNote's Cruise Mode? Ang ScaleNote's Cruise Mode ay isang AI-powered content creation tool na ginawa para mag-generate ng SEO-friendly at parang human-written contents in under 5 minutes. Hindi lang ito about speed, it's about producing quality content that resonates with your audience and ranks well on search engines. Para mo rin itong personal content assistant guiding you through the process of creating blog posts, product descriptions, and more, all optimized for SEO and tailored to your brand's voice. Bago tayo pumasok sa demo, gusto ko pag-usapan yung ilang key features na pwede mong gamitin. Una, meron silang guided workflow. Ang Cruise Mode ay may structured step-by-step process na nagpapadali ng content creation mula sa pag-enter ng target keyword mo hanggang sa pagpili ng desired tone of voice. The tool ensures na bawat content ay tutugma sa objectives mo. Imaginein mo na lang na may freelance writer ka na gagawa ng blog post mo tungkol sa benefits of remote work. Sa Cruise Mode, ilalagay mo lang ang keyword, pipili ng tone at gagabayan ka ng tool sa paggawa ng outline, pag-draft ng content at pag-optimize ng SEO all within minutes. Number 2 ay SERP-based outlines. Ina-analyze ng Cruise Mode ang top-ranking pages para sa napili mong keywords, providing you with a competitive edge. Kapag alam mo kung ano ang gumagana sa iba, you can craft content that not only matches but surpasses existing listing standards. Halimbawa, kung nagsusulat ka ng tungkol sa healthy meal prep ideas, check ng Cruise Mode ang top 30 search results, identifies common headings at subtopics, at nagsasuggest din ng outline na nagko-cover ng mga areas na to, ensuring na ang content mo is comprehensive and competitive. Number 3 ay natural language processing or NLP integration. It ensures na kasama sa content mo ang relevant key terms, enhancing its SEO value. Ibig sabihin, mas visible at mataas ang chance na mag-rank sa search engines. Kung gumagawa ka ng articles tungkol sa digital marketing strategies, tinutukay ng Cruise Mode ang related terms like SEO, content marketing, and social media campaigns, integrating them seamlessly into your content to boost SEO performance. Number 4 ay brand tone customization. Importante na consistent ang brand voice mo. Sa Cruise Mode, pwede mong iset at i-maintain ang gusto mong tone, ensuring all content aligns with your brand personality. Halimbawa, a tech startup aiming for a friendly and approachable tone can set this preference in Cruise Mode. Gagawa ng AI ng content na swak sa tone, making complex topics and more accessible to their audience. Number 5 ay AI-generated images. Pwede mong i-enhance ang content mo with contextual visuals, choosing from various styles tulad ng digital art, photorealistic images at iba pa para mag-complement sa written content mo. Halimbawa, while writing a blog post on top travel destinations, kaya ng Cruise Mode mag-generate ng relevant images such as scenic landscapes or cultural landmarks to enrich the reader's experience. Number 6 ay SEO score at Fixit module. Cruise Mode provides an SEO score that evaluates your content's optimization level. Sa Fixit module, may actionable suggestions para ma-improve ang areas tulad ng keyword density, meta tags, and internal linking. Halimbawa, after drafting an article on e-commerce trends, you notice an SEO score of 70. Gamit ang Fixit module, pwede mong ayusin ang headings, mag-add ng relevant keywords at i-optimize ang meta descriptions, boosting the score to 90 and enhancing search engine visibility. Number 7 ay Cruise AI editing tools. Bukod sa initial content generation, may tools ang Cruise Mode para ma-refine ang writing mo. Pwede mong i-expand, paikliin, i-rephrase, o i-simplify ang sections to better suit your audience's needs. Halimbawa, explaining blockchain technology ay too critical, pwede mong gamitin ang simplify function to make it more digestible for readers unfamiliar with the concept. Number 8 ay context export and integration. Kapag tapos na at polish ang content mo, Cruise Mode allows you to export it directly to various platforms or download it in multiple formats para mapadali ang publishing process. Halimbawa, pagkatapos mong i-finalize isang blog post, you can export it directly to your WordPress site, saving time and ensuring consistency across platforms. Number 9 ay plagiarism-free content. Cruise Mode ensures that content generated is original and free from plagiarism para mapanatili ang integrity ng brand mo at maiwasan ang possible SEO penalties. Halimbawa, kapag gumagawa ka ng maraming product descriptions para sa isang online store, Cruise Mode generates unique content for each of them, preventing duplicate content issues. Number 10 ay time efficiency. One of the most standout features ng Cruise Mode ay kaya nitong gumawa ng high-quality SEO optimized content rapidly, kaya tipid oras sa paggawa ng content. Halimbawa, a digital marketing agency can use Cruise Mode to generate generate multiple client blog posts in a single afternoon, increasing productivity and allowing time para makapag-focus sa strategy. So if you want to follow along with the demo, iniwan ko yung exclusive link namin sa description sa baba. Pag kinik mo yun, pwede mong siyang itry for free. Click mo lang, tapos automatic ka nang makakalogin. Ito yung navigation sa left side, merong dashboard, article writer, content optimizer, keyword planner, traffic analyzer, content audit, link manager, detect and humanize, at on-page pro. Punta tayo sa article writer, which is cruise mode. Nagsa-search tayo ng women's weight loss under 30, tapos i-click natin create. It takes a few moments but still creating an outline for us. So ayos. Ngayon, i-click natin yung gagawa ng title. Pwede na tayong pumili ng isa sa mga titles. We can select one of the titles and maybe 12 science-backed ways for women's weight loss under 30. Go ahead and create the outline. Amazing. Kompleto na yung outline natin. Key highlights, introduction at 12 science-backed ways for women's weight loss under 30. Nandito rin bawat highlight tulad ng prioritize protein, embrace strength training and resistance workouts, focus on whole foods, at iba pa. May frequently asked questions din. Pwede kang magsulat ng sarili mo o dito mag-add ng AI suggestions. And if you want to generate more, you can do that as well. Pwede ka rin mag-request ng more questions at i-add yun. Kung gusto mo makita yung top rank outlines, you can look at questions right here. Kung okay na to, o kung gusto mo mag-add ng CTA, you can say maybe you wanna do freebie so you can sign up now. Gagawa ito ng article and it'll take a few minutes. Habang hinihintay natin, gusto ko lang ipakita what a finished one looks like. Nag-generate pa nga ito ng AI image. Meron na tayong highlight, introduction of all features we're going to be talking about, and frequently asked questions. Kita mo na dito ka mag-optimize. Yung key terms ay all good, which is great. Yung URLs ay all good din, which is great. Featured snippet, okay din. H1 heading ay okay din. Pero ngayon, may ilang issues tayo. You can see there are 2 issues found. The links and some of the headings. Sinasabi dito na yung following terms ay dapat nasa H2 to H6 headings. Pwede nating ayusin dito. Meron ding content depth issues. Maganda yung total word count pero yung current bold word count ay 0. Mas okay kung mag-bold ka ng ilang parts dito. And look at the keyword density as well. That way, you can get this to at least close to 100% score. Makikita mo rin yung average score ng competitors ay 48 lang at yung top score ay 81. Kaya kahit hindi ka umabot ng 100, basta lumampas ka ng 82, you're going to be golden. Pwede mo rin tignan yung brief. Okay, so this is the outline right here. Makikita mo yung suggested amount of images, yung word count, at yung heading. Pwede mo rin tignan yung gaps and gains. Dito makikita mo na may gap right here where it says dietary strategies and practical eating tips for women. So it's saying to add the section. Pwede rin mag-add ng sleep, stress, at mental well-being. At yung gain naman ng weight loss for women under 40. Okay, so ito lahat pwede mong tignan. Missing topics at research. Makikita mo na yung usage ay term ay healthy weight. You can also look at your competitors. Pwede ka rin tumingin sa questions na sobrang useful. Pwede mo rin tignan yung stats pati yung detailed report. Ang daming information dito to make your blog post super SEO friendly so you can get discovered easier. Sige, tignan natin tong isa pa. Okay, ngayon ready na to. Nag-generate na siya ng article. Pwede na nating export sa editor. Ito makikita mo na nasa 78 over 100 na tayo, which is huge. First one I did was like a 56. Here you can see improve SEO score by fixing the terms. Kaya pwede nating i-click yung fix it and it'll automatically fix it for you. You can go ahead and click accept. Pwede mong i-accept lahat to if you like or just some of them, whichever. Ngayon na nasa 83 na tayo, yung top score ay 82, so this is pretty good. Then we brought a URL so we can go ahead and fix that. Gustong gusto ko kung gaano kadaling i-click yung fix. Okay, good to go. You can go ahead and some of these in different heading sizes. Pwede mo ring silipin yung content depth at keyword density. Okay, ngayon meron ka ng fully functioning article. Pwede mo na tong export bilang doc, HTML, markdown, o PDF. Pwede mo ring i-connect sa WordPress para automatic na masasend doon. Sobrang dali lang gamitin and they really take out all the hard work for you. Okay, ngayon na alam mo na kung paano gamitin ng cruise mode. I just wanted to talk about a couple of different price and plan options na meron sila. Sa ngayon, you can actually get 60% off for life, 2 times the limit, and 1-to-1 SEO strategy session with a co-founder and 2 user seats. Ulitin ko, this is just for now. Kaya kung interesado ka talaga, magandang i-grab mo na to ngayon. If you pay annually, you can save 60% and then monthly is the normal price. Isa-isahin ko yung annual plans, pero know that pwede mo ring going monthly. Yun lang, you're not gonna save as much. Sa essential plan, you get 10 articles per month para gumawa ng ready-to-rank humanized articles at 10 articles per month to humanize existing articles. Kasama rin dito yung WordPress plugin at $20 lang. Ito per month pero billed annually. You also get AI images, factual content, traffic insights and LPK terms, etc. Next, ang growth plan. You get all essential features pero mas marami kang articles. 60 articles a month, 60 clusters a month, at 400 pages a month para ma-optimize ang sites mo. And more pages per month and unlimited domains. May kasama rin tong 2 team members with this as well, and this growth plan is $32 per month billed annually. Next ay yung Pro plan. This is $60 per month billed annually. Dito makukuha mo lahat ng nasa growth plan, pero you get again more articles, more clusters, more pages, and you get 70 members. Makikita mo na may iba't ibang advanced features. Hindi ko nababasahin isa-isa, pero kung gusto mong i-check, gamitin mo lang yung exclusive link namin sa description sa baba. Gusto ko lang sabihin na affiliate links ang mga to. Ibig sabihin, kumikita kami ng maliit na commission and no extra cost to you kung gagamitin mo ang links namin. Thank you in advance sa support mo, and we can continue to create tutorial videos just like this. Okay, let's dive in sa pros and cons. Unahin natin yung efficiency. You're just gonna be able to quickly produce full-length, high-quality blog posts o SEO descriptions. Number 2 ay ang SEO optimization. Ang cruise mode ay built with search engine in mind. Hindi lang to basta naglalabas ng generic content. It analyzes it very specifically and gives you suggestions based on what's performing well on Google. Isa pang pro ay user-friendly interface. Sobrang easy and intuitive to use. Number 4 ay built-in outline generator based on SERP. This is more than generic outline builder dahil tinitignan talaga ng cruise mode what's ranking well in search and builds your structure based on real data. Ngayon for the cons. Una, kailangan pa rin ng editing. Kahit sobrang bilis nito mag-generate ng impressive content, you can't just copy and paste tapos publish. Kailangan mo pa rin basahin, i-draft, ayusin ang wording at gawing swak ang personality o style mo. Number 2, may learning curve for some features. Kahit easy lang yung basic process, may mas advanced features sa cruise mode tulad ng SEO scoring, NLP, optimization, and brand kit setup that may take some time to fully understand. Number 3, baka hindi ito ideal para sa sobrang niche o technical na topics kapag sobrang specific ng niche mo. Pwedeng hindi makuha ng AI yung maliliit na detalye na kailangan mo. Kaya baka mas madalas mong i-rewrite ang ilang sections and adding context or clarity a lot. Number 4 ay, it can't replace deep strategy or human creativity. Sobrang powerful ng cruise mode, pero AI pa rin to. Hindi nito mapapalitan ang unique insights mo, personal experiences, or deeper brand storytelling. So, dapat mo nga bang piliin ang cruise mode? If you're looking to streamline your content creation process without compromising on quality, sulit ang cruise mode. It's especially beneficial for small business owners, content marketers, and anyone aiming to enhance their online presence efficiently. Pero kung mas gusto mong gumawa ng content from scratch or have very niche requirements, baka medyo limited ang mabibigay ng tool na to para sa'yo. That wraps up this video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at mag-iwan ng comments o questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Maraming salamat at kita-kits sa susunod na video.